Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate it. So I have a fun one today. We're going to be talking about our dividend income for the month of February, but we're going to be talking also a little bit about Warren Buffett, right? And his dividend portfolio as well. And I mean, come on, if you don't know who Warren Buffett is, you are missing out on something good. He is like probably the greatest investor. He is known for being focused on his strategy. It doesn't matter what anyone else says. He sticks to his strategy. And let me tell you, for some reason he always wins. And that's just being honest and real about it. And he is always talking about you're investing in companies, you're investing in a business. So make sure you're not getting too personal with it. Yes, it's your money. Yes, you work hard. But when you are investing, it's not like saving. When you are investing, it's not like you should treat it as like you are married to it. You are investing in a business and the performance of that business. And so today we're going to be talking a little bit about, his dividend payers as well, and just seeing like some of the similarities between him, what he gets and what I get, which is like few and far between in terms of the amount. Okay, but still he's the GOAT, and it's always great to just check in to see what he's doing, because he really is like a calm figure in the investing world, because the investing world can get pretty hectic. Okay, but before I move on, my name is Shalise. Welcome to the channel. My husband and I are trying to get to financial freedom. We are not financial advisors. We are not fiduciaries. We are regular people. I'm a wife. I'm a mama, a worker bee, just trying to invest in the trenches when the markets are bleeding even, like they are right now. So I'll have this link directly below. I love Simply Safe Dividends. I've talked about them for a long while now. They have a YouTube page. They do have a paid version, but honestly, you can just um, do the free version. That's what I'm using right now. And yeah, so let's talk about it. So Berkshire Hathaway, which is Warren Buffett's company, they are like synonymous. When you hear about Berkshire Hathaway, you think Warren Buffett. When you hear Warren Buffett, you think Berkshire Hathaway. But here are a list of some dividend stocks that are owned by Warren Buffett. Now remember, Berkshire Hathaway itself does not pay a dividend, okay? But Berkshire Hathaway does have holdings, okay? It does have investments, and those investments do pay out a dividend. So one of the ones that Warren Buffett loves is Coca-Cola. If you go to Google or YouTube even and type in Warren Buffett and Coca-Cola, he talks about it so much, why he loves the company and just the company's ability to just withstand economic troubles. It doesn't matter what's going on anywhere around the world. They have a really strong customer base, and Coca-Cola understands that base. And I can just tell you, just from growing up, I knew people in my personal life who were Coca-Cola fanatics. Diet Coke, regular Coke, cherry Coke, it didn't matter, okay? They were getting their Coca-Cola come hell or high water. And so just to see, even during stressful economic periods, people are still buying Coke, right? I mean, go when you go to the market, you know, right? You like Sprite. My son loves Sprite, by the way. I like Sprite. Um, Sprite is made by the Coca-Cola brand. My husband also loves to drink ginger ale as well. Let me show you our position. So this is our position in Coca-Cola over in Robinhood. We haven't bought any Coca-Cola for over a year now, and we're up 18.76% even with the pullbacks that we've been having. It's a great consumer staple. I mean, Coca-Cola has been paying its dividend. It's a dividend king. So it's been around longer than I was born, longer than my husband was born. It's been around for a minute. And so, like I said, great company, well ran, global base, and it knows its customer base. And year to date even, it's up 12.27 year to date. So, when everything else has been falling, like VOO, VTI, Tesla, Amazon, Nvidia, which I love, has been falling, guess what? Your safe consumer staples, ETFs and individual companies, have been wading this water. So it's just a testament to diversification as well, right? That's why I love, other sectors outside of tech. Love tech, a lot of growth, yeah. But let me tell you, when we have pullbacks, and when we have pullbacks that sting a little bit, this is what I'm in. I see like Heinz, Sirius, Chevron, Ally, which is, I'm starting to like Ally. I may put that on the list for next year, or if we meet our other investment goals for 2025. But I have been looking at Ally and I have been liking it so far. Here's some other ones as well. Occidental Petroleum. I know he likes that one. Domino's Pizza, but that stock is expensive. Goodness gracious, that stock is expensive. I mean, you see them all listed here. And you can see that the dividend safety he has are safe or borderline safe. There's nothing risky that he has. And again, it's just talking about, how he really focuses on the company and the value of the company and wanting to get the best bang for his buck. He did trim some of his apple. So, again, it could be for a variety of reasons. He probably is cashing in some of the gains that he have had in Apple, because he did, you know, have it. He had it in his portfolio for a long while now, so I understand that. Um, but it's still 25% of his portfolio about, Apple. So, and he did add some new ones. So, Constellation Brands, which is like beer and wine. Again, what are people going to still buy no matter what the economy is doing? Their beverages, their wines and spirits, and people are still going to go and, get pizza out and things like that. And that's just facts. Coca-Cola, people are still going to buy their sodas. They still going to do it. So let me come over here to my dividend spread sheet. I do have an investment planner that has like dividend tracking in it. And it also comes with 3 other spreadsheets, not this one, but 3 beginner friendly spreadsheets. I have a whole flip through of it. I'll have the link down below. But let me zoom in so that you guys can see this like really good. I know you're on your phone. So I've talked about this spreadsheet before, monthly dividend income by month. You can see February was a lower paying month, about $459. I know 2 of our dividends did move to March. It's just how the month ends. So I'll include that with March. I'm not going to include that with February. And then right here, I have like our biggest dividend payers, like in a chart right there. So coming down, I'll just have some screenshots on the screen so that you Apple position over in our investing challenge. Remember, our investing challenge for Q1 of 2025 was VOO or a similar S&P 500 fund. That could be SPLG, that could be FXAIX, whatever tracks the S&P 500. But again, just small shares, small amounts add up. And in the investment planner, there the investing challenge is in there, okay? And I'll have polls up for Q2, probably like the end of March. So just make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. Of course, Main Street loved that one. $32.52, ET $48.79. And it's just interesting to see your dividends add up without, a lot of hassle, which I really, really do like. So if I come down here, this is another chart I have for like other dividend payments. So up here is taxable accounts and dividends that pay. So you won't see Tesla up here or Amazon because they don't pay a dividend. But just the ones that pay a dividend. And then down here in the other dividends is the other accounts that aren't taxable. So the Roth, the HSA, the 401k is there as well. And so I'll just put that there. I know in March we'll have some of the ones in the Roths payout, I think in the HSA payout, and I'll have those there. And then these are just some dividend milestones. I will update that for April. The balances, we're going to keep it at I think it's like at 271, I think, because the market has been pulling back. So the next one is 275 until we can get our taxable accounts up to 725. Not the Roths, not the 401k, not the HSA, taxable accounts only. Okay. So that's what we're kind of just working towards. If I come down to this chart down here, I have 2024 here. So now that we're done with February, I'm going to just highlight this and cross this out. Is it this one? Yeah, cross it out and we're done. So you can see year to date, we've made just in 2 months, $1,064.35. I do not invest in Yield Max or anything like that. Those have been taken a beating. And that's just not something that I'm into. Again, you can invest in whatever you like because it's your money, it's your portfolio. But for us, nah, I'm okay with this. So yeah, just seeing that we made over $1,000 so far, I can tell you that March, just some of the ones that are already pending and what we're expecting, March is going to be a record month. That's going to be $1,000+ month. It's just we know that. And then over here I have this like just for like tax purposes, wanting to see, like the tax rates and if we were going to withdraw this money and live on it. You do have to pay taxes on your dividends. I have 25%. I could easily probably change this to 15% if I'm being honest. And I'll just change the formula right there and just go ahead and just update the rest of this like that. And that way, because qualified dividends are taxed at 0, 15, or 20%. And just with all of the other deductions and write-offs that we have, 4 houses, 2 side businesses, kids, and a partridge in the pear tree, look, we're good. So, yeah, just to see that, if we were to live off of this money and even setting taxes aside, how much would we realistically have? And this is all helping us for financial independence. That's what the purpose of all of this, honestly, is for. So, that's our dividend plan for the month of for February. Goodness gracious, I'm like the months, I'm getting them confused. But yeah. Hey guys, I'm interjecting so that I can do the giveaway. So remember last week I posted this video, 40 financial rules for 40-year-olds, and I asked you to be publicly subscribed. Leave me a comment about which money rule resonated the most with you, and to leave the hashtag mommy trader. So if you did all 3 of those things as of today and me actually doing this screen share, then you are entered into the giveaway. I'm going to come over to this website I've used many, many times. It picks a random winner. And so I have the link to the video here and the hashtag mommy trader. And we have, let's see, let me put that in there. Get YouTube comments. We have 18 people that did everything correctly. And I'm going to press start. All right, Teresa Washington, make sure you send me an email. mommytrader2@gmail.com is actually in my description box, so make sure you send that to me so that I can get you there. And let me pick the other winner as well, another winner. Okay, let's see. Love My City 420, congratulations. You are the second winner. Each winner will receive a $25 Amazon e-gift card. Again, send me an email. Information is in my description box below. Headed back to the video. For February. Again, guys, I'll have this article down below so that you can go ahead and read it in detail and, just get some motivation for your investing journey over, the long haul. So again, guys, leave me a comment down below. How was February for you? When it comes to your investments, are you tracking just your taxable accounts or all of your accounts? It's fine either way. It's just we just track our taxable accounts because we leave 401ks, HSAs, and Roths for our long-term future. Taxable accounts are bridge accounts. That's for early retirement. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to join our dividend group, we do meet the end of this month for 2 hours. Information is down below where you can sign up. Thank you guys so much again. And until next time, you already know, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.